Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to help you make smarter trading decisions. Today's date is November 4th, 2024, and we're going to be looking at Amazon stock, symbol Amazon. The news is full of reports that Jeff Bezos has a limit order to sell shares above $200 and recently dumped millions of shares at an average price just above $200 in July. This selling pressure is seen as the primary reason for Amazon's inability to close above $200. Let's switch to the daily chart and see if we can find any confirmation of this resistance level. Okay, so if we look at the last 6 months of daily candles, we see a clear resistance level around $200. The price has repeatedly bounced off of this level, and there are even a few instances where we see bearish engulfing patterns. This suggests that sellers are stepping in to cap gains and prevent the price from breaking through. However, we also see that the price is currently trading just above $190, which is a pretty solid level of support. This suggests that buyers are still interested in the stock, and we might see a bounce back up towards $200. But we need to watch for how the price reacts around $200 in the coming days. If it can break through this resistance, it might indicate that Bezos' selling pressure is easing, and we could see a significant rally. But if it continues to be rejected at this level, it might indicate that sellers are still in control, and we could see a pullback towards $180 or even lower. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of recent price action. Okay, if we zoom in on the last 24 hours of trading, we see some interesting price patterns. We see a series of higher highs and higher lows, which suggests that the price is in an uptrend. However, we also see a couple of bearish pin bars, which indicate that sellers are testing the market. This suggests that the uptrend might be slowing down, and we could see a pullback towards $197. If the price can hold above $197, it might indicate that buyers are still in control. But if it breaks below this level, it might signal a more significant pullback towards $194 or even lower. To get a closer look at this potential pullback, let's switch over to the 15-minute chart. Now, let's focus on the last 2 hours of trading. We see a clear downtrend on the 15-minute chart, with the price dropping from $197 to around $194. This downtrend is confirmed by the series of lower highs and lower lows. We also see a bearish engulfing pattern that formed around 11:50 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, which suggests that sellers are taking control. The volume on this candle is also higher than average, which further reinforces the bearish signal. This pullback is likely due to the selling pressure we discussed earlier. However, it's still important to note that the price has not yet broken below the $194 support level. If it can hold above this level, it might indicate that buyers are stepping in to defend this support. But if it breaks below $194, it might signal a deeper pullback towards $190 or even lower. Overall, Amazon is currently stuck in a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. The news surrounding Bezos' share sales has created a significant resistance level at $200. However, the price has not yet broken below $190 support, which suggests that buyers are still interested in the stock. The 1-hour chart shows an uptrend, but with some bearish signals indicating a potential pullback. The 15-minute chart confirms this pullback, and we're watching the $194 support level closely. If the price can hold above $194, it might indicate that buyers are still in control, and we could see a bounce back up towards $200. But if it breaks below $194, it might signal a deeper pullback towards $190 or even lower. Key things to watch going forward are the price action around the $194 support level and the $200 resistance level. A break above $200 could signal a significant rally, while a break below $194 could signal a deeper pullback. Keep in mind that these are just observations based on the current market data, and the future is always uncertain. It's important to conduct your own research and due diligence before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching, Explain the Charts, and happy trading!